Hello traders, this is Alla on October 11th. We are closing for the week, and what a week this was. As once again price done absolutely everything we expected, absolutely everything we discussed in the trading room every day. Absolutely everything Fibonacci identified in advance played out. This is the short we're closing this week with. This short reached Fibonacci Reversal Zone. How many points later? Exponential number of points. From 2778 area all the way to 2754. My goodness, that's almost 20 points. Volatility is back. Shock or not. This is the key. This is the accuracy of Fibonacci method, and this is the events in the trading room. Total number of hours trading room had been open since the start of October is less than 20. During 20 hours, market danced in correction at least half of the time. Out of 11 trades, 10 trades reached Fibonacci targets. Trend trades, decision point 29 trades. 11 trades, counter trend. Reversal zone, outside of decision point 2, 3 trades. This is a trade number 4. Volatility is back. Price is bouncing and collapsing from reversal zone. This is a key in front of you right now on 1-minute chart. This is key support, this is key resistance. If buyers step in with vengeance, bullish rally will start where sell-off had ended. Do you remember this? This is what played out at the close. This is your day trading chart. No matter what you trade, no matter if it's 5, 3, 4, 11, 12 range, whatever chart you trade, this is key support. Trend inception. Rules are met. Take a trade. It's that simple. No reason to complicate the markets. So why is the reason is market selling off? Market selling off because we came to Fibonacci reversal zone. This is institutional reversal zone. This is a start. This is the end. It is that simple. All indexes across the board. And if I walk down memory lane, I will remind you, this was expected. This is absolutely no surprise. This was key Fibonacci support on S&P monthly. This is a chart that's been present in the trading room since 2011 that pointed very clearly to trend exhaustion levels at reversal zone with key Fibonacci support at 1800 number. This was trend inception on S&P weekly, famous 1800 number. Do you remember this? Bullish rally started at 1800, came to the end of the minor trend at 2200, showing you very clearly if trend becomes major, bullish rally will go on to 2300 and 2500 next. But first obstacle remains the end of the minor trend. Price struggled at this level for months and months. Shock or not? Absolutely expected. In order for the trend to become major, price has to break through this level. Bullish rally picked up this theme the night of the election. Key support 2000 on S&P respected, and price skyrocketed next. It never gets sold, I promise. Boom. 2300 is reached. Key trend target. As long as key Fibonacci support respected at 2200, bullish rally will go on. 2500 is next. This is the market next. Time and time again. What did I say and what did we discuss here for months, this entire year? Horrific market in a lot of pain, institutional reversal zone respected. If you are a conservative investor, make your own decision. I exited the markets before market crash. We discussed that with students. We also discussed the 2500 is key level for this bearish correction where market danced for almost a year, 10 months. This is the market now. It's all the same on S&P. Anyone surprised? Ouch! You wanna trade like a pro? You wanna trade like hedge fund manager? Go to the source. Go to what indicators developed after. Buy at trend inception. Exit positions when price comes to reversal zone. And stop being so surprised that all the stocks selling off. Poor Amazon. Ouch. No matter if it's hold time, 5 days or 5 hours, it's not the place to buy. How many dollars did Amazon collapse already? Hundreds. More than $300 per share. Ouch. Fundamentals don't mean a thing. News don't mean a thing. Fibonacci means everything. Poor Google. No surprise. Fibonacci Reversal Zone is reached, Google selling off. It's all the same. And if I put this chart side by side with Tesla, it's all the same. Tesla been selling off for the last 2 years, sitting very pretty at key support. I can walk down memory lane on all these stocks. I have library and library of these stocks, as you saw very clearly on S&P. This is not the place to buy. This is proprietary Fibonacci level you can install on the platform of your choice, and you can decide what you want to trade. It's that simple. In the trading room you see the method in a play on 1 minute chart, as I convert every single trade to 1 to show you the accuracy of the method. As price said on monthly chart, if 1800 number respected, price will head back up to reversal zone again years later. In day trading, minutes later, it's all the same, no matter what you trade. So, if you're prepared for volatility in the market, spectacular opportunities across the board. This is oil. It's all the same. Bullish rally started at trend inception, taking a pause at the end of the minor trend, and skyrocketed to here. This is oil now. But if I walk down memory lane on oil, I would like to remind you what played out before. Take a look. This is a chart on oil present in the trading room since 2011. Do you remember the importance of bright green line? Shock or not, oil collapsed because it is always key trend target on your trade. Oil moving to the downside, respecting this bright green line, just like S&P moving to the upside, respecting that bright green line, both on monthly. This is what oil had done in 2016. Oil reached reversal zone. My goodness, shock or not. Is it possible this is a place to buy? Of course. Rules are met. Take a trade. Absolutely no surprise what oil had done next, as oil skyrocketed on a weekly chart from reversal zone. Boom. Shock or not, it's all the same. Oil reached bright green line and been in pain for at least 6 months in 2018. And this is oil now, crawling back up to reversal zone. And that's the reason oil selling off. It's all the same. As long as institutional support respected bright green line, this is institutional range on oil. That's simple and that pure. So, if you decide to join us in the course, first time ever. By the way, this trade will be updated as reversal zone is reached in front of you. And we will take a look on that trade again before the close of the room. First time ever, we are offering Fibonacci Foundations, where we start from scratch, identifying pure price only. Identify the magic of strength and weakness of indicator-free price. We're starting with this. You know this, you can trade anything. You start learning how to apply Fibonacci. You start learning weakness and strength. We meet on Thursday at 12 EST and you have modules and videos available to your convenience with the access to the trading room daily. We meet in Fibonacci Foundations room for live class on Thursday, where we recap a lot of trades from the trading room. If you are ready to dive into everything you want to know about the markets with pure price and Fibonacci trend long-term strategies along day trading strategies, where we go back all the way to 2008 and you see very, very clearly the similarities with current markets, I am with you every day, Monday through Friday. We start pre-market and then we go to the trading room, but we continue with live guided trading and classes every Monday and Friday. Access to the modules and videos available. Psychology discussed in the course. Group course only $29.77. Private mentoring only that much. Private mentoring includes all 3 courses, all group classes, all modules, all videos. And I meet with you one-on-one, and we work via screen sharing, and I set up for you charts on NinjaTrader 7. Access to trading room, absolutely. Mastery mentorship fees going up significantly next week. Heads up. Most important part of the website, pretty please, listen to students and what students have to say and see what they accomplish in their trading. As you saw what Pablo had done today, as you saw what Ed does, as you saw what Brett does, what Tashi does, library and libraries of students and their testimonials. It never gets old, I promise. Can you trade with this curve? Choice is yours. What you want to trade, only you can decide. So, how long does it take to master the course? Every single trader is different. Listen to Complete Beginner Trader Pablo and you can see did not take him long. Listen to Brett, listen to Anna. Every single trader trading different instrument, different time frame. This is what played out in the room today. This is what Pablo and Gold had done. Brett Gold, Pablo S&P. What is the maximum screen time? 3 hours per day. What is the maximum screen time for Brett? 2 or 3 hours per day, only Monday through Thursday. How long their trades lasted? 3 minutes. For Brett, for Pablo, a few seconds. Volatility is back, traders. You want to trade like Pablo? You want to trade like Brett? I look forward to working with you. But pretty please, make an effort. If complete beginner Pablo can do it, so can you. If you would like to review what method is all about, please review About Us course. And most importantly, go to YouTube channel where you can subscribe and see thousands of videos going back years, where you can see the accuracy of the method in live markets. Almost 2,500 subscribers. No surprise. Why? Because they know that Fibonacci is what matters. Nothing else matters. As oil weekly found the buyers in 2016, this is what this trade is doing right now on S&P. This is S&P before we close the room, as we've been waiting the entire morning for S&P to reach reversal zone. Please take a look what S&P is doing right now on 1 minute chart. Absolutely no surprise. Market is rallying once again, as expected, to the tick. All present in front of you since the open on any chart you choose to trade. These long-term Fibonacci levels you learn how to apply in Mastery course. And if you know how to apply them, you can trade any chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 25, 11. Choice is yours. It's all the same. Everyone clear what happened on that trade? That was a trade. That's a close for spectacular Fibonacci week once again in the trading room. Clear on that? Do not short into reversal zone. Rules are met, take a trade. It's all the same. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. As 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute doing exact same thing as bonds are doing now. It's all the same. Doing exact same thing as gold is doing now. It's all the same. Doing exact same thing as you're doing now. It's all the same. Price comes to reversal zone, monitor for long. Price comes to reversal zone resistance, monitor for short. Rules are met, take a trade. It's all the same. And that's what course all about. Foundations course, limited time only, traders. Any questions? Pretty please. Never hesitate to contact me, but please review the information first. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Do not hesitate to contact me on weekend, never a problem, but please review the information first. Thank you, traders.